This could be the car for you. The 2014 Ford F-150. With less than 100,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Take a closer look at this full-size F-150. It's the light-duty pickup that leverages military-grade aluminum alloy and high-strength steel to produce class-leading towing and payload capabilities. What's more, available options let you customize its hard-working bed so you can be more productive than ever before. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: rear-wheel drive, stability control, intermittent wipers, pass-through rear seat, driver adjustable lumbar, conventional spare tire, variable speed intermittent wipers, passenger vanity mirror, tire pressure monitoring system, adjustable steering wheel. Feel the satisfaction that comes from reaching a higher level of productivity in this F-150. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our friendly staff will give you an outstanding customer experience.